Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to stop syncing a segment to Google Customer Match here in Omnisend. Alright, so first up, go ahead over to Audiences right here and just click on Segments. Okay, now go ahead and find the segment which is specifically connected to Google or Google Customer Match. Okay, for example, this one right here, we have the three dots, and instead of saying sync to Google, it will say stop right here, stop syncing. Okay, just basically click on it, and once done, you should be good to go. And another option is just by going to apps right here. Click on apps, and here you have Google Ads Customer Match. If you want to disable just a segment of this specific integration, well, you can just go ahead and click on edit, find the specific segment, and just click on stop or delete. Okay. And if you want to stop syncing all of your segments right here from your Google Ads Customer Match, you can go ahead and click on remove entirely, remove this integration. All right. And there you have it. That is how you stop syncing a segment to Google Customer Match here in Omnisend. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.